Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials so nothing blocks progress. Install Widget App v1. 0+, sign in and grant permissions. Once done, open the app and complete the quick onboarding prompts. They sync your profile and preferences. Next, tap Create Widget to begin. This is the single required initiation step. Make sure to select a data source and layout immediately so the app can prefetch assets. These first actions ensure the rest of the workflow runs smoothly and without interruptions. Now you configure the core. Pick cloud for real-time updates unless you need offline local mode. Once chosen, set widget size and a refresh interval like 15 minutes to balance freshness versus battery. Then map incoming data fields to widget zones and apply filters to reduce noise. This determines what users see. Preview your widget to validate spacing and text truncation, and iterate until it looks right. These middle steps resolve layout conflicts and data mismatches before final deployment. Finish by saving and deploying the widget to your home screen, then enable auto-update if you want continuous syncing. Test interactions. Tap zones, long press for settings, and follow any deep links to confirm behavior. Once satisfied, monitor battery and data usage for 1 day and adjust refresh intervals if needed. If the widget shows blank or stale content, force refresh from the app, verify permissions and network access, and as a last resort, reinstall the app. This single troubleshooting tip solves most deployment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.